Hello everyone, so how to install a Raya app on iPhone. So yeah, you just need to go to App Store and type Raya, and here is the app, and then you can just download it. But it's super hard to get in this app. So it's a free app, no issues, you just install it. There are some features, but the main thing about it is that it's exclusive and member only. And to get inside of the app, you need to submit some application, and it should involve a referral from one of the members who is already inside of the Raya app. And yeah, it's pretty hard to get because there are a lot of celebrities there, and this app prohibits you from doing like screen records from inside of the app, and you rarely know who is in there. So yeah, for example, if you just open it up, here you can see this option to apply for membership, or you have an account and then you just need to log in. But if you apply for membership, you need to go through the whole application process, and it's quite hard to get inside of the app without a referral. But if you got in, congrats. Please leave some comments, please leave your reviews in the bottom. What do you think about this app? Is it worth it or not? Thanks for watching.